Batu Cave's colorful new look. Social media is abuzz over the newly painted stairs at the Batu Cave's temple. The 272-step stairs leading up to the entrance of the Sri Subramaniar Swamy Temple has been painted with various bright hues of red, blue, yellow, green and orange, giving it a rainbow look. Across the social media, many were in awe and praised the new look. The arches and temples in the vicinity have also been repainted. The paint job was carried out in time with the temple's Kumbhabhishekam consecration ritual, which is performed for every temple once in 12 years according to the Hindu rituals. Well, we know where we're heading to this weekend.